Okay, children, now we are going to see about Unit 2 hydrosphere. Match the following. Here you are given the fresh water, a lagoon, joins Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal, inland salt water lake and condensation. Now for the fresh water, the answer is Kolleru Lake. This is number 1. And number 2, a lagoon, Chilka in Odisha. This is number 2. Okay. Number 1, number 2. And joins Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Number 3 is Park Strait. This is number 3. And inland saltwater lake, that is number 4, Sambar Lake. And condensation is number 5, formation of clouds. So you can learn the straight answer, children. Now write true or false. Write true or false. Here, first one is about 97% of water on the earth is salty, is salt water. That is salt water. That is true. And second one, water is not necessary for our basic needs. Water is not necessary for our basic needs. That is false. Third one. Okay, now the third one is water in the sea is sweet. Water in the sea is sweet. That is also false. Then fourth one, we should keep the tap open. We should keep the tap open. What? While washing utensil. False. Then fifth one, we should save water. We should save water. That is true. Okay. So this is the match and true or false. So go through this and learn everything, children. Now next we move on to the answer the following. Fourth Roman letter. Answer the following. What is hydrosphere? Define hydrosphere. Define hydrosphere. Hydrosphere. Answer is hydrosphere total amount of water present on a planet. Present on a planet. Okay, this is the first one. And the second one, Why is hydrosphere important? Why is hydrosphere important? Why is it important? Because we need water for our daily activity like drinking, bathing and cooking food. Okay. Animals and plants also need water. Animals and plants. Need water. So, hydrosphere is important. Then for third one, name the different types of water bodies. Name the different types of water bodies. So the different lakes, ponds, streams, seas, and oceans. Okay, so that's all this. Okay, so define hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the total amount of water present on a planet. Why is hydrosphere important? We need water for our daily activities like drinking, bathing and cooking food. Animals and plants also need water. So hydrosphere is important. Then the different types of water bodies. The different types of water bodies are lakes, ponds, streams and rivers, seas and oceans. Now, answer in detail. What are the different types of water cycle? Then the water slowly evaporates. As vapor. As the vapors rise high, the cooler temperature. Stage 3. So I have written the first stage, second stage and third stage. And stage 4 is runoff and infiltration. Runoff and infiltration. The water either run off into the water bodies or absorbed in the soil. So the water either run off into water bodies or absorbed in the soil. So the stage 1 is evaporation. The heat of the sun falls on the water bodies. Then the water slowly evaporates as vapor into the air. This is evaporation, stage 1. Stage 2, condensation. As the vapors rise high, the cooler temperature make them cool down and turn back into liquid. And stage 3, precipitation. Wind movement cause the cloud particles collide and they become rain-bearing clouds and fall back into the earth's surface. Stage 4, runoff and infiltration. The water either run off into water bodies or absorbed into the soil. Okay, so this is the first detail. Second detail, give a few steps to conserve water, to save water. Give a few steps to save water. Second detail. Give a few steps to save water. What are the steps? What all we can do to save water? Take a water in a bucket for bathing. So first point is take water in a bucket. For bathing instead of using the shower. Okay, this is the first point. And second one, don't allow water to run while brushing the teeth and cleaning the vessel. Don't allow water to run while brushing the teeth, and cleaning vessels. Okay, and cleaning vessels. We should not open the tap and waste the water. And third point, don't throw plastic garbage in water bodies. So don't throw any plastic into the water bodies, and then avoid water pollution. Avoid water pollution. Then fifth one, rainwater must be stored. So these are the two details you have to learn. Okay. Okay, children. So give your few steps to save water. Take water in a bucket for bathing instead of using shower. Don't allow water to run while brushing the teeth and cleaning vessel. Don't throw plastic garbage in water bodies. Avoid water pollution. Rainwater must be stored. So all the details and short answers we are given, children. So learn this and choose, match everything I have given. So learn what all I gave and get the books and read everything and buy the book also from the school. So get ready for the second term, children. Thank you.